Hi Mark, this is the 2019 Toyota Tundra that you inquired about here at Sunny King Toyota in Oxford, Alabama. Every new Toyota we sell here comes with a lifetime powertrain warranty. Doesn't matter how many miles or how many years you put on it or that you keep it, it's a lifetime powertrain warranty. It's going to have 4 years or 45,000 miles of complimentary service. This particular Tundra is a two-wheel drive crew max. It's going to have a 4.6 liter V8 engine. It's going to have your heated mirrors on the outside. It's going to have your assist tailgate, so it's one touch hydraulic down, very easy to put it back up. It's going to have your receiver and your 7 and 4 pin connector. You already have a spray-in bed liner and the deck lid system, or deck rail system, excuse me. Power everything, windows, mirrors, and on the back window, which I think is awesome, that back window slides up and down. We're going to have the home link system with the auto dimming rear view mirror. It's going to have your home link so you can program any garage doors that you need to. It has all your Toyota safety sense, has your dynamic radar cruise control, your pre-collision system with pedestrian alert. It's going to have your lane departure alert and your auto dimming high beams. Stereo system, you're going to have your CD player, AM FM radio, satellite radio. That XM subscription is free for 3 months. You're going to have a spacious storage compartment there with a cigarette lighter charger, your USB port charger, and your auxiliary ports there, and your cigarette lighter chargers there as well. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call at 256-835-0800. Have a great day.